Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Katrina Mattingly. I'm a board certified obesity medicine specialist. I'm here to talk about ghrelin and leptin, which are two hormones that regulate appetite. So ghrelin is a hunger hormone. I always think growling, hungry stomach. It's produced along the cells of your gastrointestinal tract. It stimulates the hypothalamus in your pituitary gland right up here in your brain when it's time to eat. It usually falls more rapidly in response to proteins and carbohydrates than it does fats immediately after you take a meal. So, with carbohydrates, they're an immediate source of readily available energy, and they will be digested into sugars and into energy very quickly. So maybe that's one of the reasons why ghrelin falls so quickly with carbohydrates, and then proteins versus the fats would take a little bit more energy to break down. Next, we have leptin. So leptin is what's known as the satiety hormone. It's also found along some areas of the small intestine, but also within your fat cells. All right, so leptin, interestingly enough, people that don't have enough leptin are known to be overweight or obese. It's called leptin deficiency. Both of these hormones respond to circadian rhythm. The circadian rhythm is regulated by the suprachiasmatic nuclei, which is also up here in the hypothalamus in the pituitary gland. And some of you are probably familiar with melatonin. So the SCN, that's what we call it, helps to regulate the release and regulation of melatonin from another gland called the pineal gland. So ghrelin and leptin rise and fall at different parts of the day depending on light sensitivity and some other things that help trigger the SCN. So you may have heard or read that some people who, for instance, do like night shift work or who are up all night tend to have higher rates of obesity and diseases related to that. And that's because normally when the rest of the world is sleeping and your ghrelin levels may be a little bit lower and your leptin levels may be a little bit higher, this doesn't happen with people who are up all night. You need energy, so your ghrelin is higher, prompting you to go ahead and eat, to continue to continuously feed your body and give it a source of energy so you can make it through these night shifts. So they tend to be sometimes a little bit more at risk for obesity. So I hope this helps you to understand that appetite is more than just willpower. There are several different hormones and mechanisms at play here within your brain that are controlling some of this, which is really beyond our control, right? So you just got to do the best you can. If you're interested in learning more ways that you can control your weight or shed a few pounds, then please call Options Medical Weight Loss for a free consultation. All right, take care. Bye-bye.